explorers. Today, we're going on an adventure with a wonderful girl named Lily. Lily loved to play more than anything in the world. From sunrise to sunset, you could find her in the garden, making magnificent mud pies, building towering forts with her puppy, Sparky, and painting colorful masterpieces on big sheets of paper. She was a master of fun, but there was one thing Lily didn't like at all. Can you guess what it was? That's right, bath time. Every evening, when the sun would yawn and get ready for bed, Lily's mom would call out, "Lily, sweetie, it's time for your bath." Lily would sigh. "Oh, Mom, just 5 more minutes," she'd plead. She thought baths were boring. Why sit in a tub when you could be discovering a new ladybug friend or finishing a drawing of a magical castle? To Lily, bath time was a fun stopper. One sunny afternoon, Lily had the most amazing day ever. She and Sparky dug for buried treasure in the sandbox, which was really just Sparky's favorite squeaky toy. They rolled down the grassy hill, getting covered in little green bits. Then, they had a picnic with strawberry jam sandwiches, and a little bit of jam ended up on Lily's cheek, her nose, and even in her hair. By the end of the day, Lily was a beautiful mess of dirt, grass, and jam. She was so proud of her adventurous day. When she came inside, her mom smiled. "Wow, it looks like you had a blast. Let's get all that adventure cleaned off in the bath." Lily frowned. "But Mom, this isn't dirt. It's my adventure dust. And this isn't jam. It's my victory paint." Her mom chuckled and said, "I see. Well, how about we turn the bathtub into a magical ocean for your adventure dust to swim in?" Lily was curious. A magical ocean? She followed her mom to the bathroom. Her mom poured in some bubbly soap that smelled like fresh berries. Suddenly, the tub was filled with mountains of fluffy, white bubbles. "Whoa!" Lily exclaimed. Her mom handed her a few rubber duckies. "Look, Lily, these ducks need a brave captain to lead them across the bubbly sea." Lily's eyes lit up. This wasn't a boring bath. This was a naval expedition. She hopped into the warm water. The bubbles tickled her nose. She splashed and giggled, making big waves with her hands. The rubber duckies bobbed up and down, and Lily imagined they were on a grand voyage to find a secret island. She used a washcloth as a sail for one of her ducky ships. As she played, her mom helped her wash the adventure dust from her arms and the victory paint from her face. Lily didn't even notice she was getting clean because she was having so much fun. Her mom showed her how the soap bubbles worked their magic. "See these little bubbles, Lily? They are like tiny cleaning superheroes. They find all the dirt and germs from your day of play and lift them away, so your skin can be healthy and happy." Lily looked at her hands. The dirt was gone, and her skin felt so soft. The germs were invisible, but she imagined the bubble superheroes chasing them away with tiny soap swords. It was an epic battle happening right there in her tub. She learned that being clean wasn't about stopping the fun. It was about getting ready for the next day's fun. Clean hands wouldn't make her new drawing smudgy. Clean clothes felt cozier for story time. And sleeping in a clean bed felt like floating on a soft cloud. Bath time was like hitting a reset button for more adventures. It was a time to relax and tell her mom all about the day's discoveries. From that day on, Lily looked forward to her bath. Sometimes it was a bubbly ocean, other times it was a secret lagoon with toy fish, or even a science lab where she mixed different colored bath drops. She discovered that bath time wasn't the end of her adventure. It was a whole new, splashy, bubbly part of it. It was her special time to clean up, wind down, and dream about all the exciting things she would do tomorrow. So, next time you've had a big day of playing, remember Lily's story. Your bath can be a magical place too. You can be a sea captain, a scientist, or a superhero trainer for your toys. Getting clean helps our bodies stay strong and healthy, so we have all the energy we need for new adventures. What kind of bath time adventure will you have tonight? Thanks for joining our story today, friends. Remember to have fun and stay curious. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing adventures. See you next time.